A spaceship orbits around a planet at a height of 20 kilometers from its surface. Assuming that only gravitational field of the planet acts on the spaceship, what will be the number of complete revolutions made by the spaceship in 24 hours around the planet? Okay. Now, first of all, I will use the time period formula, or okay, we can use mr omega squared for centripetal force. Okay, mr omega squared is gmm upon r squared. Correct, where omega is the angular speed. Okay, so I can now write omega as root of, okay, I can now write omega as root of g capital M, small m will get cancelled. Okay, small m will get cancelled. This r will be in the denominator, so that will become r cubed. Okay, that is omega. Now what is t? Okay, t is what? Omega 2 pi by omega is t. Okay, right? 2 pi by omega is t. Is that right? 2 pi. Yes. 2 pi by omega is t. So t has to be 2 pi by omega. So 2 pi into root of r cubed upon gm will be the time period. Okay, so this is the time that it takes to complete one revolution. Okay, in 24 hours, that means 24 into 3600 seconds, how many revolutions will it complete? The answer will be, let us call it n, it will be 24 into 3600 into 1 upon t. Okay, upon t. So n will be 24 into 3600 into again, so t is in the denominator now. Okay, so into root of gm upon 2 pi into root of r cube. Okay, into root of r cube. Now let us substitute everything. 24 into 3600 into root of 6.67 into 10 raised to minus 11, mass of the planet 8 into 10 raised to 22 kg upon 2 pi. How much is the radius? Radius of the planet is 2000 kilometers. Okay, and height is 20 kilometers, so small r will be 2020. And it is kilometer, right? So to convert it to meters, we will be multiplying it by 10 raised to 3. So after cubing it, it will become 10 raised to 9. Okay. Now, well, 24 into 36 into 100. I can approximate, well, 2 pi, let us go for 2 into 3.14 into root of 6.67 into 2 because I have taken that 4 outside. Okay, 22 minus 11 is how much? 22 minus 11 is 11. That 10 raised to 9 from the denominator, when it goes to the numerator, that will become negative 9. So 22 minus 11 minus 9, that will be 2, and after it comes outside it will become just 10, right? Upon root of 2020 cube. Okay, so this time I'm approximating it to 2000. This time I'm approximating it to 2000 and cube. Okay, I hope that doesn't create any errors. Well, it is going to create some error definitely for sure. Okay, now this is 6.28. Let us approximate it as 6. So that will be 24 into 6 into 100 into, this will be 6.67, so around 6.7 into 2. 6.7 into 2, 13.4. 13.4, 3 squared is 9, 4 squared is 16, 3.5 squared is 12.25. Okay, so maybe I should take it as 12.3, maybe slightly greater than that. 12.3 into 20 upon, okay, now see here. Okay, wait. We can just keep it as, root of 6.67. This root 2 is there into 20. Now look, this is root of 2000 cube, right? So that already has 2000 squared in it. So let us take that 2000 outside. So now what we have inside is square root of square root of 2000, correct? Square root of 2000. So it is root 2 into 10 root 10. Am I right? Yes. Okay. So let us now cancel root 2. Let us also cancel 20 into 10 as 2000. Okay, so final answer reduces to 24 into 6, that is 144. Okay, wait, 144 upon 10. 144 upon 10 is 14.4 into root of 0.667. Okay, 0.667. So it is definitely less than 14. So B is not right. Okay, so it all depends on how well we approximate square root of 0.667 as. Mm, 0.667. Okay. What is the square of? Okay, 66. Is it close to anything? 0.64 is, okay, so this is 0.8, right? Okay. Now what is the square of 0.85? Okay, 0.7225. So that is definitely okay. So if I take 0.85, my answer has to be less than this. Let's see what this gives me. अचोक 20, 14, 25, 70 आणि 2, 72. अचोक 32, 3 उरले. अचोक 32 आणि 3, 35, 3, 8, 8 आणि 3, 11. Okay. Equal. Okay, so that is around 12.240 and our answer is less than that, right? Our answer is less than that, so 13 is also not right, but it's definitely not two less than that. Okay. Mm, well, now we have to decide between 9 and 11. Okay. We have to make a call now because otherwise, how are we going to decide? I have a hunch that D can't be right because D is going too small. So maybe I should go for A, but we have to justify at least ourselves. Okay, we have to justify ourselves that why can it not be equal to 9? Okay, look, suppose I say 14.4 into root x equals 9. Okay, 14.4 into root x equals 9. So if I square it, if I square that, this will be, so the 196 something, 196x will be equal to 81. So x will be 81 upon 196, which is approximately 80 upon 200, which is approximately 8 upon 20, which is equal to 0.4, right? And x is actually greater than that. Okay, if x is actually greater than that, then 9 cannot be right. Okay, it has to be greater than that, so the correct answer is A. Okay, so the correct answer is A. Fine, let's see how close we are here. Okay, let's just do it here. Yes, actually it is 11 if we take it as 20 cube. Let's see how much we get if we take it as 2000. 11.23. Okay, and what I have approximated is here, I have approximated pi as 3.14. Okay, so that is not changing much. Okay, I guess it is the root of 0.667 that which we have approximated. Okay, let's see how close we are. Root of 0.667 is 0.81. Okay, it is 0.81 and we have taken it as 0.85. That is why we are getting a slightly bigger answer. Okay, we are getting a slightly bigger answer. Alright, but you should be ready for such calculations, huh? I mean, if you are mentally prepared, then that doesn't come as a shock, and then you can just be confident enough. You'll just be confident enough to solve the problem. Okay, fine. Question 7 done and dusted.